Hello everyone, my name is Ahmed. I am a software engineer and member of Soluotech. In our previous lecture, we programmed and controlled a SG90 microservo motor using Arduino. Today, I'm going to furthermore explain to you the previous code as well as show you how it is run in the servo motor. You will be pleased to see more details about the circuit. Soluotech really appreciate your support. For those who subscribe, like, and share our contents in behalf of Soluotech team, I say big thank. If you are new, please subscribe and like. Let's dive into the code explanation. In our previous lab section, we use one Arduino Uno. Here is it. We use one servo motor, the SG90 micro servo motor with rotation 180 degree. Here is it. We use also few jumper wires male to male to connect our circuit. Here, let me explain once again the code. First of all, we import the servo motor library here, and we declare a variable named myServo. Later, we set up our servo motor. We attach it to pin 9 and we write it in the position of 0. Now we did the first for loop, which we initialize with initialize I equal to 0, I less than 180, I plus plus, meaning it start from 0 here, it will go up to 180 degree, the right hand side, go up to 180 degree. That will take at least 50 milliseconds. So meaning it will go slowly up to here to reach the 180 degree, will take 50 delay. Then it will go back. So here is the loop back of the code. We wrote again the for loop. Here we set initialize b equal to 180, b greater than 0, b minus minus, we decrease, meaning you will start now from 180 degree way back to 0, while the 0 here will go way back to the 180 degree. Here is how, with the same delay. And now down here you can even see it from 0 to 180 degree. This is the right hand side arrow, and from 180 degree to 0, which is the left hand side arrow. This is the diagram of our project. It shows you the physical connection of all the components we use during this project: the breadboard, the Arduino board, and the servo. This is the schematic of our project, and this is the PCB of our lab project. The link to the previous lecture is down below. Guys, thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye.